How I became a QA lead within a span of 3 years, right? In this video, we will discuss if you are a QA, senior QA, how you can do become a QA lead. What are the different tips? I'm going to give you a 7 important tips that I have used to become a QA lead. What are the things or the action items that you need to do to become a QA lead as early as possible? Why you want to become a QA lead as early as possible? First of all, your job security will be there. You will get a high package, as well as you will definitely get a more visibility when you are a QA lead or joined into a company. So let's get started. All right. So guys, if you know, when I have joined as a QA, right, within a span of 3 years, I was a QA lead working with almost 5 people. I was responsible for their overall growth and I was helping them, right? So what was the process that I have done? Let's start. So I hope you understand that why you should become QA lead early, because of salary perspective, your growth career perspective, and I think the stability in your company also, which is more important, right? Tip number 1 is take initiative. Guys, if you want to become a QA lead, leader is all about taking more initiative, right? So what I used to do is, when I was a senior QA, what I was doing is I was doing the task which is basically done by the QA lead. My QA lead was sending the reports. My QA lead was basically calling all the people into a meeting, right? He was doing retrospective, some other meetings, some kind of Scrum things also, right? Those initiative I took over immediately, right? Within a span of 2 years, 2.5 years, I took over most of the task from it. So the more initiative I have taken, the more I was able to understand that if I am doing the task which is this QA lead is doing, I will basically become a QA lead probably this year. Right? And that same thing happened. Automation is the need of the hour. This is a wake-up call for the manual testers. If you want to convert to automation, job ready automation tester batch is now live. 4 months live batch, Saturday, Sunday. We are going to learn about core Java, API automation and web automation. Link is in the description. Do check it out. All the projects are live. Will the 24/7 doubt sessions on sdet.club. Check out the more details. Tip number thing is increase your visibility, right? You have to increase your visibility. That is the most important thing. Increasing your visibility means sending your emails to your managers, right? Talk to your manager, discuss with your manager, let everyone know, talk to the team, talk to the support. What happens is, when you join a company as a senior QA, right, you are always feel shy, you don't discuss with it. Whatever you are working, even you don't communicate properly to the team. No. Increase your visibility. You have to increase your visibility. Add details to your Slack, to your email. Make sure you send them bi-weekly or weekly updates, what you are doing. You have to send them what you are working on, what you are going to work, any blocker. If there is any blocker, let your manager know. Trust me, it helps in your QA lead process also. Tip number 3 is talk to your manager more. This is very, very important thing that I have learned. When I was a senior QA, I was continuously in touch with my QA lead. I was continuously asking, okay, how? Let them know also that you are inspired to become a QA lead after 1 year, 2 years, or whatever it is, right? They will help you and they will give you the tasks which are required you to become a QA lead. This is how I have done. So make sure proactiveness point of view, you are there. Talk to your manager more. Don't feel shy. Okay. I remember there are a lot of people who are senior QA right now. They are assigned to me also. They don't talk to me very frequently. It means I think that they don't have some kind of behavior where they don't want to become a QA lead probably, right? So make sure you do that. Tip number 4 is skills to conclude. Guys, make sure that whatever the skills that you need for QA lead, right? It can be communication, improving communication, sending more details, talking to the people, talking to the client, right? Helping other people in code, whatever it can be, increase your skills. That is the most important things, right? I remember when I was a senior QA, I increased my skills. I added Java into my programming language. I added Python also. I was helping other people, helping in their code, debugging and multiple things, so that I was able to crack. Tip number 5, of course, which is proactive and give more. You have to help people. Okay, when I was a senior QA, there are 3 or 4 people who are assigned to me, and I was just helping them in their code, in their debugging process, how they will test, their test plan, everything and all. So the more you give, the more you will get. That's the important point. Tip number 6, which is talk to the people and solve their problem. So I basically, when I was a senior QA, right, I used to talk to support any other people who have some problems, right? I was giving a lot of solutions. I discussed about it, thought about it, brainstorm about it, right? The more this increase more visibility, and I was able to solve more and more problems in this case. And that's how one of the problem we solved was, for example, how to test multiple websites, right? Data-driven testing, how you can do those things basically helped me in the QA lead process also, right? Because of visibility increase, right? That's why. So step number 7, help other people and become a go-to person. Go-to person is something, for example, if something is required, you have to be the go-to person. Okay, Pramod is something which can help you. Pramod can unblock you. Pramod can do this. Pramod can do this. Your name should be the first one in the mouth of everyone, then definitely you will become a QA lead, right? So what are the action item? I hope you have liked this. Just give me like in the chat if you agree with all these 7 tips. These are very practical tips because I was able to do it. I am pretty much sure you will be able to do it. Give me a like and let me know any details. What are the action item? Work on your visibility. Make sure you work on your visibility, proactiveness, talk to your manager more, ask more people to give your visibility, and take less and deliver more. Deliver more, help more. This is the way to become a QA lead as early as possible. And why you should become a QA lead, I think I have already answered. Higher salary, better growth, better opportunity, better visibility is securing your job. All these things can be achieved by becoming a QA lead, right? Then after that you can become a QA lead for 3-4 years and go towards the QA manager. If you need details for QA manager also, just type QA manager in the chat or yes in the chat. I'll give you the more details how you can become a QA manager within a span of 6 years, 7 years. I will discuss that too also. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.